Welcome to the Women and Diversity in Manufacturing Summit. Many industries say that they have a talent challenge, but manufacturing has had this for 30 to 40 years, and it's our responsibility to do something about it. By the time that the conference closes today, I hope we have greater clarity on how we can take action around these areas, having exchanged ideas and made new connections. I hope that everyone will have something that they can take away from the event to implement within their business, to help with their personal career progression, and to hopefully inspire young people at school age or to assist younger colleagues in the workplace.
I thoroughly enjoyed the roundtable format. It's very engaging. You really get to see and hear people from the heart.
The agenda has been fantastic, it's been really diverse. There's been an awful lot of content that we've covered from all the different roundtable sessions, and then the keynote speakers were amazing. The two panel sessions were particularly informative, quite challenging when you've got big panels, but great to see that broad range of experience coming out from the panellists.
I thought the discussion format was brilliant. It makes such a nice change to not be sat listening to somebody talk all day. You don't always get to get down to the nitty-gritty of things and to really express your own views, and equally to have somebody disagree with you, which I really like. That's when we're going to start making progress.